Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add shadow effect to overlay only in CapCut. For instance, I'm going to select one image to the main track and I'm going to add the overlay. So put on that another clip. So I'm going to remove from the for the background before and just going to select the cutout for the overlay. So just wait processing, and after done you are just going to add a effect. Select the shark effect and you can adjust for the duration the same way with the bike. Right. So how you can add the shark effect to overlay only? So just click or select the overlay and effect, right click and select create compound clips. So you can see the shark effect only add to the overlay only without the main uh, or background. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.